Subscribers, myself Pavan and you are watching Optimistic Coder. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of these tutorials. Hello subscribers, let's quickly download and install Java JDK in your system. So you need to go in oracle.com, click on this and you will get a product help. In that you have to click on downloads and just scroll down a bit. You can see here Java section and it will take you to the list. Just click on Java JDK for developers. It will show you some list of various versions. You can select any version. For now I am selecting this 13 version. Let's click on JDK download and then it will show you the list of the operating system, and depending upon your operating system you can download what file you need. So my system is a Windows machine, so I will just go and click on this link and I will download the .exe file. Just click on accept and click on the button and you will see within no time it will download. So I will just now stop it as I have already downloaded it. So in the download section you can find there is a file. Just need to double click and it will prepare itself and it will open. So it will open something like this. You just need to click on next. It will show you some file path. You can even change it, but I will say just keep it default and click on next, and within no time it should install the JDK. So JDK is installed and you can just close it. Now you have to set the path. So just go to C drive, program files, and Java folder will be there. Click on it and you can see actually I have installed so many other versions of JDK, but you need not to worry about it. So you can see the folder that you have currently installed. It will be having that version number. You just need to click on it. You have to go into bin and then you need to click here and copy the path. You have to copy this path and then you can move on to your system properties. Okay, so this is your properties and then go to advanced system settings. So this is gonna open. Okay, so now it will be by default, it will open with advanced section. So you just need to go and click on environment variable. So here in this system variables you need to give your Java JDK path. So just go bit down. So you can find here a path variable. If your system does not have a path variable, then you just need to create a new variable named as path. Just click on this new and you have to just write path and just paste the JDK path. So click on OK if you don't have path. So currently I'm having path, so I will not create a new one. I will just select it and click on edit. Here as you can see I have already mentioned a path. So in your system it will not be mentioned. So whatever the path that is already mentioned in here, please don't delete that and don't remove it. You have to just append that current path that we have taken. You have to just go at the end. If it is not given semicolon, give a semicolon and then paste it. Okay, so that's what you need to do, and just need to say OK and click on OK, click on OK. So if that is done, it should work very fine and you can just minimize it. Okay, so here let's create. I've already created a Java file. So I've already created a Java file here. So in this we have test.java. You can see the code. So it's a simple print statement code, nothing else. Simple class and one function, main function is there. in that I'm just printing one statement. So let's run the code. Just open your command prompt from here. You just need to hold the shift and right click. You will get an option as open command window here. Click on that. So command prompt will be open in this particular location. You just need to give the compile command, that is javac, then java file name. So as you can see, there is only test.java present here. So after compilation, you can see here that one .class file will be created automatically. So when I click on enter, after compilation, you can see test.class file is created. So now you need to run the particular file. You can just write java space the file name. You need not to give the extension as .class. You can just give the file name and click on enter, and your program will run. That's all in today's video. In the next video, we will install Eclipse and see how the Eclipse interfaces.